I have the biggest haul coming at you right now. There's so many pieces. I think there's like 25 pieces, which is crazy. So for today's video, I am working with Boohoo. They sent me a few things for YouTube. However, if you don't know already, this is still crazy to me, I am actually a TikTok ambassador for Boohoo. Craziness. So I have pieces that I've been sent from that side and YouTube, so that's why there is so many pieces. I do have a discount code for this YouTube video, which I think is only valid for a little bit, so I'll pop that on screen now. However, if you're watching this in the future, if you're watching this in the future and that code isn't working anymore, I do have my TikTok code, which is chyna.xx. All opinions are my own as always, so if you want to see what I got from Boohoo this autumn winter, keep watching. Okay, let's start with the first item. I kind of like to start with an item on. Got a couple tracksuits to show you. As I said, there's 25 pieces. We're going to skip through things quick. This is possibly the coolest tracksuit I've ever seen in my life. I love the whole graphic and comfy vibe. What I was thinking for this, I don't know why it looks like I've got my hand down my trousers. I don't. What I was thinking for this was, let me show you, a red pair of Jordans to go with the red. Isn't this just cool? Like, if you're going to college or anything like that, this is a proper chill outfit, but you still look put together because you've got the coordination with the red and the white and black. I just think that would be a really cool outfit. You can also chuck a big oversized puffer black jacket on as well with this outfit. But of course, if you don't have the red Jordans, you can just wear white Air Forces. White Air Forces are a go-to. If you don't have those in your wardrobe, I highly suggest. This is actually Boohoo Man. Boohoo Man is so good. Where I am a size 2-4, sometimes a 6, and I am 5 foot, very small, their tracksuits can be quite oversized. This is an extra small, the smallest size. If I just stand back so you can see, it is a little bit baggy, but I like how oversized it is. I've just rolled them up a little bit. It still looks fine unrolled as well. Jumper's a good oversized fit. Comes as a tracksuit set, so with the sweatshirt and the joggers, it's got pockets and things. So I'm just obsessed with the graphic print that is on it, to be honest. While we was on the Boohoo Man tracksuit kind of thing, thought I'd chuck on the next one. I personally like how oversized it is. Again, white Air Forces would go great. If you have purple Jordans or purple shoes, would be great also. I also think if you don't want to wear it as like a set, if it's just a bit hot, a white vest top under this would look sick. I do, for some reason, prefer the joggers over the hoodie. I don't know, it's oversized, but I feel like it's a little bit too oversized, but it's super comfortable. Like, you don't have to wear them out. I prefer the fit and the feel of men's clothes anyway. Don't know if that's just me, and the purple and the white just complement each other so well. It does have drawstrings on the waistband. If you're a bit more petite, you can just pull it in and it'll fit you completely fine. I was really in need of like a new grey simple tracksuit, so I picked one of them up. This is actually from the petite section. They do have a petite section on Boohoo. I really rate it. It's really good. Their jeans, leggings, everything. Petite is really good on there. It still has that oversized look, like it's not skin tight, but it's not as long, and it just, I feel like the fit is just a bit nicer because it's petite. It does have this pink thing on it. I think it says Self-Love Club. Quality again, really soft, not cheap feeling at all. Big pocket, just what I like. I'm a pocket person, as you know if you've watched my channel already. It's that nice grey, it's that like ashy grey. I'm very funny about my grey. I don't know why. I grabbed the smallest size on basically everything in this haul for reference. Do have my references in the description. Yeah, just think with some white Air Forces again. Just simple college outfits or shopping or whatever. I've got a coat actually. I wouldn't pair it with, you might pair it with this, but I personally wouldn't pair it with this. I've got this for work. I have so many coats, but not many that are actually practical, like with a hood. It's going to keep you warm. So I thought I'd actually be practical with this haul and get one. So I'll just pop it on now. It has a very fluffy hood, really nice. But I'm just scared because obviously I've got this for if it rains and stuff and if it's cold and I don't actually ruin the fur. So I'll keep you updated on that. This is also in the petite section. They did have this in the normal section, but I think it was a bit more expensive. But petite is cheaper and I don't find it that petite. So this is a 4 as well, but it's still snug, like I can zip it up. So it does up just like this, but my favourite part was, this is what really drew me to it. It has this like belt that actually cinches you in a bit. Oh yeah, it has something on the back. I think it says official in white. They do have this in white as well, which I think would be a great snow coat. It's just an overall great coat and I really would recommend it. It would not be an autumn winter haul if I didn't include a brown tracksuit. This is a sweatshirt tracksuit. This does come as a set again. Oversized joggers with, where is it? White detailing here just stitched on. If I show you close up, it's on there really well. Again, really thick, warm, fleece lined as all the tracksuits are. Black coat, beige coat, chocolate brown coat, brown gilet, that would look nice too. Been on the hunt for a brown tracksuit. I feel like I've always been on the hunt for a brown tracksuit that just fits right, looks right, goes with everything. I'm obsessed with this. Super, super nice. You know, typically I'm not a fan on acid wash, but I feel like Boohoo's really got this right. Again, with the oversized fits, so repetitive. It's tracksuits, what do you expect? There's not much you can really say about them, but I'm super happy with this. I don't know why I'm so in love with this one. Tracksuits are just good to have in your wardrobe because you can mix and match them. You can just wear the hoodie with some leggings, or you can wear the bottoms with some top or a t-shirt. You really can mix and match and you get your money worth out of a tracksuit. That's why I prefer when things are together. This fits perfectly and I'm super happy with all the tracksuits I've got in this haul. When it comes to autumn winter, I'm actually a big fan on like checkered shirts. I feel like this looks a bit weird on camera, but when I was looking in the mirror, I love it. I don't know, but this is how I'd style checkered shirts. One way I'd style them. I also style them with like unitards under or cycling shorts and a top. We can do jeans and a top with this. I'm pretty happy with the length, to be honest, because I wanted it to be more of a like dress. I just paired it with some black long boots. These aren't from Boohoo, but Boohoo do sell exact same pair. I just think oversized shirts are really cute. And it's nice quality and I love the colourway. Just come in, you can see it a bit more. I just love how the boots and the top look. It looks really nice. I do actually have another one to show you because I got two because I just needed some. I actually got one from Boohoo here as well. I always get questions on this. This is also from Boohoo. If you see this on my TikTok or anything, this is Boohoo. Just thought I'd show you that. I'm not enjoying this one as much as a dress. Maybe as like a long shacket would look nice. This is a different material. It's more like fluffy, shackety material, but still thin like a shirt. I really like it. The plaid is just a bit more block. And it's got longer at the bottom. So if you did want to wear it, because I know some people do like to wear like leggings and tops. So this would be a nice leggings and tops moment. I just think as a dress, I don't really like it, being dead honest. But I reckon style with some faux leather jeans and a white top and some boots would look really nice with this over the top. I did grab this top because I saw a girl wear like a beige top and black boots on her TikTok. She looked great. It's just too big. If it was like maybe here, that would look good, but it's again that thing where it's longer at the back. Even as a shirt, I just think it's just too long. This is in fact the smaller size, but you know what shirts are like, sometimes they're too big, sometimes they're too small. Kept on the same boots. I think this dress would actually look better with a short ankle pair. This is a little knitted camo dress. This is super lovely. It's just a little bit big on the waist. I actually picked this up to wear like a black oversized jumper on top of it, just because I thought this as a skirt would be really cute. So I did actually grab a oversized jumper from Boohoo just to show you. Yes, this was the exact look I was going for. Little boots. Not long. I'm not sure which one I prefer actually. I quite like both, so if you have either, it will go. As a skirt, as a dress, it looks cute either way. The jumper is really good quality. I'm pretty sure this is part of their recycled collection. Cute little layering outfit, maybe with some tights, like really sheer tights, to make it more, because I know what you guys are like, oh my god, I'd be freezing. I recorded half this video and my computer completely effed up, so the audio's so bad from my mic. So you've had to have audio from my actual camera. Anyways, next two items. Got these petite, not very, you know what I mean, straight leg trousers. Maybe with some, yeah, maybe with some trainers on or some boots, it might fit a bit better. But they're really nice, not see-through, really flattering, just cute trousers. Just wanted some brown ones. They do have a white pair that I really, really want because I'm actually doing a Christmas party Boohoo outfits video on my TikTok, and I think I'm going to do it for YouTube as well, just because not a lot of you probably know that I do TikTok, so I do it on there too. Then I've got this really cute top. This is very Pinterest for me. Won't lie, the cut does make me look like a boy a bit, like I've got low boobs, my arms are so broad and they're literally going to bash you in the face. It's a knitted, thick knit, super comfortable. It's a brown and cream checkerboard, as we can see, and I just think it goes so well with the brown trousers, and I think with some boots, maybe a faux leather blazer or jacket will just look great together. If not, a black skirt with some tights would look nice too, or if you just want it to be simple and wear some black flares, you can do that. Talking of black flares, I do have a pair of black flares. That's so hard to say. Wow, I'm so happy with these. I finally found a pair of black flares that fit me. I'm wearing black socks, so you probably can't tell. That fit is amazing. With a pair of trainers, they would literally fit me like a glove. They're so comfortable, so soft. Just a bit see-through, but they are just typical legging material, which you expect. Flares are just something you need in your wardrobe, and I'm so glad I finally got a pair that actually does fit. This is possibly the nicest zip-up hoodie I own. First of all, this colour, the forest green. Sorry, you're a bit too nice. It actually is exposed seam, which is a bit different. This is so comfortable. This is a perfect oversized fit. It fits great. I'm absolutely in love with this. Wow. I have nothing bad to say about this. This is really, really nice. So jacket is obviously Boohoo, and so is this long sleeve top actually. I always need like t-shirts and stuff like that for my hauls. Would have liked if it was maybe there, but I can always roll that up. It's long sleeve. I don't own a long sleeve version of this type of top. Got the same flares on. I would wear it with this hat, this little beanie moment, but obviously with the hair I've got on, no. I mean, to be fair, it's not that bad. Obviously, there's a bit of a bump at the top of my head. I feel like I'm so cheap. But I've always wanted a beanie hat. I don't know. It's really messed up my hair. I did get this from Boohoo also because I wanted to try it, and it's really nice. I'm just obsessed with this jacket. They have this in another colour, and I now need it. Before I forget, it's no point me trying it on, to be fair. I simply can't be bothered. There's 25 items, maybe more. I did grab it in brown as well. Of course, autumn winter. Wouldn't be an autumn winter haul without another brown thing. That's what it looks like fully. So cute. They're just so simple and good to have in your wardrobe, especially with cargos. I love these with cargos. We're so close to the finish, guys. Don't worry. Another chocolate brown moment. I know these chocolates don't match. They're not meant to, but I just thought I'd pair them together. Oversized chocolate joggers. These are very oversized. Maybe I'd roll them up. Then I've got this chocolate brown bodysuit, not see-through at all. Super soft, normal cotton jersey material. It is more like high neck compared to what I normally get from bodysuits. It's keeping my neck very warm, surprisingly. This is just one way I'd pair this. I'd probably pair this with cream leggings as well and jeans. Same with these. I'd literally wear these with anything. I actually have something to go with this. I've got the matching hoodie. These are actually sold separately, but I'll show you them together. If you prefer a hoodie tracksuit compared to just a normal sweatshirt like I showed you earlier, you'd probably like this one a bit better. This really reminds me of the Essential hoodies because it actually has a little thing. Don't know if you can see that. But I just love the fit of this. I did try this on first of all with flares and it looks great. Just a really nice hoodie for autumn winter. Of course you can wear them separately or together because this is matching. But this is so thick. Like the thickest jumper I've ever felt in my life. It's really, really, really good quality. Like I literally cannot say it enough. Super simple rib roll neck dress. This was kind of like a last minute pickup. I don't know how I feel on it. I feel like the colour kind of washes me out a little bit. But it is really nice. It's not see-through. Roll neck, of course. I'm very iffy with roll necks. It is about like this long. But obviously, you know me. I don't like that. I like to bring things quite high. With some white boots, an aviator or a fluffy teddy coat. That's kind of vibe I'm going for. Like winter wonder vibes with this. I feel like maybe with a jacket it would look much better. I prefer it. But I just thought, long sleeve rib dress, you need this for autumn winter. So I thought I'd just pick it up and it's really nice. It is nice, it's just the colour I'm not sure. Last outfit now, this skirt is actually for the haul. This blazer is Boohoo, but it's not in this haul. But this is how I kind of style it, but with some long knee black boots, I think it would look really nice if you go to sixth form or anything. I just thought it was quite autumn wintry. I mean, I'll show you it without the blazer as well. Maybe I prefer it without, but obviously you need some layers. Maybe a long roll neck would look nicer. But I'm really in love with the skirt. I was worried this was going to be too big because it's an 8, but it's actually quite tight, which is nice. I have rolled it up at the bottom just because it comes here and that's just not me. I like the things short. You can actually buy the jacket to go along with this, but I wasn't sure if that was going to be a bit too full on. If you did want it to be a set, that would be great for like college and sixth form and stuff. Or, you know, clueless vibes, of course. I thought the green was very autumn winter. I think I got through that so quickly. I feel like I explained the pieces well. I mean, it's annoying that my microphone wasn't working at the start. I'm so sorry about that. There's something that always goes wrong with my hauls, and I feel like this was a really good haul. Something had to go wrong, but it's fine. We won't worry about it. I'll still post the video. If you liked anything from this haul or you're going to pick it up, do let me know. I'll leave all links below to as many stuff as I can, but sometimes Boohoo take things off the site when they are sold out. Don't forget to use my discount code, the one that's relevant now, and then if you're watching this in the future, my TikTok one. And other than that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!